What if I told you that your currency, the cash in your wallet, your credit card, your ATM card, and even your checkbook are not money? Sounds shocking, right? But stay with me, because today we are going to uncover the real meaning of money. And trust me, once you understand this, your entire approach to wealth will change forever. Hello and welcome to my channel, Cash Empire, a channel that is designed to equip you with the knowledge, mindset, and strategies to navigate your journey to financial freedom. I am your host, Coach Blessing Anyoarah, and in this episode, I'm going to review something that most people never understand about money, and that's exactly why they struggle financially. Do you know that many people have misconceptions about money? Let me ask you something. If paper currency is money, what existed before paper? And if ATM card is money, why are people still broke despite having one? If a checkbook is money, why can't you just write any amount and instantly become rich? Think about it. This is where most people get it wrong. Most people often confuse money with currency. But listen carefully. Currency, or that cash in your wallet, is just a representation of money, not money itself. Let's travel back in time. To truly understand money, we need to travel back in time to see how money evolved. Before paper currency, before banks, before digital banking, was the world broke? No. And here is the reason. Genesis 2 verse 10 to 12 speaks about gold in the land of Havilah, proving that value existed long before money came. You see, we are talking about money and I'm quoting scriptures. Now, money has always been value. It is a medium of exchange, not just a paper, plastic, or digits on a screen. Now, let's take a journey through time to understand how money evolved. The primitive era. Back then, people barely wear clothes. There were no shops, no malls, no banks, no cars, no bills, no class system. In this era, land was everywhere, but it was useless to them because they have not yet discovered its potential. Imagine if you have given someone $10 million or naira back then. What do you think they would have used it for? For me, I think they would have used it to make fire. Funny, but that's true because paper had zero value to them. So what really mattered at that time? It was energy and skill to hunt and survive that mattered. Food, shelter, and tools were their real currencies. So in that era, energy and skills were their real money. Now, here is the big question. If energy and skill were money back then, why are they not seen as money today? Think about it. Energy equals hard work. Skill equals smart work. And are those skills not still relevant today? Then why are people desperately chasing paper currency instead of using their energy and skill to create value and attract wealth? This is the missing link that separates the wealthy from the poor. And that's where Cash Empire comes in. I am here to help you convert your money to cash. This is because the challenge is not that you don't have money. The challenge you are having is that you may not know how to convert your money to cash. What do you need to do? Change your money mindset. What do you need to do? Change your money mindset. If you learn anything from today's lesson, let it be this. Money is not paper or plastic. It is value. The wealthy don't chase money. They create value and money follows them. If you focus on developing your energy and skill, money will flow to you naturally. So here is your challenge. What skill or value can you offer to the world today? That is where your real money is. If you found this video an eye-opening, hit the like button and drop a comment below. What's the biggest money lie you have believed until now? Subscribe to Cash Empire for more financial wisdom that will transform your mindset and unlock your true wealth potential. Share this video with a friend who needs to hear this message today. Until next time, remember, don't chase money. Create value and money will chase you.